Hi guys, my name is Dan, I'm product specialist at MAGIC FX, and today I'm going to show you the SNOWBOX. The SNOWBOX is a compact snowblower that blows realistic snowflakes up to 7 meters. It's a plug-and-play system, so it activates once it receives direct power. By adjusting the bracket, you can easily direct the snow output. If you add the FX blower, the effect will reach up till 15 meters, and you can easily replace the fluid can by pulling the quick connector. For the SNOWBOX, use the special designed biodegradable snow fluid, which flows at 0.2 liters per minute. Setting up the SNOWBOX is really simple. First of all, place it on a preferred location or mount it on a truss. To upgrade your SNOWBOX, connect an FX blower to extend the snow effect up to 15 meters. After that, set the angle. Connect your power and connect your controller or power switch. Place the can in the cabinet and connect the hose with the quick connector on the lid. Switch the power and enjoy the effect. The SNOWBOX is a compact snowblower that blows up to 7 meters or 15 meters with an FX blower. It offers manual control and it creates fine and fluffy snowfall. For more information about the SNOWBOX, click on the link below to visit our product page. You might also find these videos interesting.